are my eyes. These are my cheeks. This is my nose. This is my nose. These are my teeth. This is my tongue. This is my chin. These are my ears. These are my hairs. This is my neck. These are my shoulders. These are my arms. These are my hands. These are my fingers. This is my chest. This is my tummy.